Elly, and this is Eva. We found a cool recipe to make the yummiest fresh fruit ice cream. Would you like to try it with me? First, strawberries. Oh, what a treat! Fresh strawberry ice cream is yummy to eat! Red. Let's choose the next fruit. 1, 2, and 3. It's time for blueberry! Oh, what a treat! Fresh blueberry ice cream is yummy to eat! Blue. Grab the next fruit that tastes like heaven. It's time for fresh fruit lemon. Treat! Fresh lemon ice cream is yummy to eat! Yellow. Time for our next ice cream! Orange fruit tastes just like a dream. Oh, what a treat! Fresh orange ice cream is yummy to eat. Ice cream flavor is a special surprise. All of them together will surely taste nice. That's right, friends. It's rainbow time. Blend, blend, blend some strawberry juice. Mix in next, then blueberry too. Pour, pour, pour some orange juice. And let's add some lemon too. It's rainbow flavored! Yay! Our rainbow ice cream is ready! Rainbow! All the fresh fruit ice creams are ready, my friends. What color were they? Red, blue, yellow, orange, and rainbow. Making fresh fruit ice creams with you, my friends, was so much fun. We will meet again soon. Until then, bye-bye! Hi, I'm Elly, and this is Eva, and you're watching KidsCamp.